Good afternoon one and all, and welcome to this live stream video of the property in front of us. This is number 65 Rowan Drive in Woodley, and I'm just slowly turning around to show you the local area. Just down the road there is the play park, but it's a lovely quiet residential area that I'm bringing you today. So this property is vacant and is on the market now. And for those of you that don't know, this is a live stream interactive video, so feel free to ask me questions. You can also request private viewings and things like that. Any questions I will do my best to answer. So we start with the driveway. Excuse me. Driveway parking certainly for 2, maybe 3 cars, and you could make it wider if you were to pave over this little bit of grass here. You do have a side gate which will take you down to the back garden and a large garage, and I'll show you that in just a moment. But for the time being, let's head on in and I'll show you what we've got. So into the entrance hallway we have this solid wood floor, which is lovely quality. Small hallway down to the kitchen. And to the side is your reception room. Now, please excuse the echoiness of it. As I said, this is an empty property, so my voice will tend to echo as there's no furniture or anything. Also, there is no carpets, there's no flooring down, so this is back to the original. There's a fireplace just here, and some electrical sockets and aerial, and this nice big picture window. Just open up so you can have a look over the drive area. So from here we can head on through to your dining room. So again, nice little room, good sized, nice big window, and now you can get an idea of the rear garden as well. Mostly later lawn, there is a shed there, and there's your garage. And as I said, we'll head out in just a bit for that one there. So from the diner or from the hallway, you have access into your kitchen. Kitchen is pretty good. There's lots of storage, lots of drawers and things like that inside, and with the soft close as well. Lots more drawer space. Here's your oven and electric. It is an induction hob as well. And then you have space there for your dishwasher, and then there's a gap there for your washing machine. Good size sink, and again, lots of cupboard space. So what we'll do, let's head on outside. Hopefully it has stopped raining. But here's the garden. It's quite a decent size as well. As I said, mostly later lawn, fir trees at the bottom. And then you have this small shed to the side. Just here. Looking back at the property, you can see next door I've done a loft conversion and also a small rear extension, giving you an indication as to what could happen here as well, subject to your planning, permission and things like that. I have lifted the garage door already for you. So if we head on in, you can see there is electrics in here. Here's your fuse board, what have you. It's the concrete slabs and what looks like the low-grade asbestos roof, which was very traditional in that. But it's a good size space, probably longer than a standard garage, but it's nice and dry as well. There's your counterweights down in the corner for it all. So if you were to open up the driveway, you could potentially open up the gate. You could potentially get another small car here, certainly motorbike, heading down to the garage. Outdoor power and outdoor tap as well. And I'm just going to head in because it looks like it's about to start raining again. Being an English summer, especially this year, it can be expected. So heading on up the stairs, again just mind feet as the flooring has been taken up. We have the family bathroom, which a little bit of TLC, but certainly has everything that you would need. And then again, nice big window. There isn't an extractor fan for the bathroom, but we're now going to head into bedroom number 2. It's quite a good sized room, certainly a workable single or nursery, and then again you're looking out over the rear garden as well. So if we head back out and right to the end of the hallway, this is the box room. This is the smallest room, and there's your cupboard over the stairs. So small nursery, home office, that sort of thing. It's also the only room in the home that still has the carpet. And then again, looking out over the road and the driveway. And what you will see around here, for those that don't know the area, it's just how quiet it is around here, which is fantastic. You're not too far from Sonning, and you're not too far from Woodley Centre either. So this is the largest room. Good sized double. Again, no flooring down, so do apologise for the noise walking through. But this one has these large wardrobes in place as well. And again, it's got double glazing throughout, which is good. If I just open the cupboards as well. So there's hang space and drawers throughout. All in here as well. There we are. So that's fitted. So they've sort of put these in. It's not quite 100% fitted. You do have some space up at the top if you wanted to put some drawers or something like that up there. But the house is basically a blank canvas and ready to go. There is an attic up here as well. I'm afraid I'm not entirely sure, to answer your question, not entirely sure if it's boarded or not. Let's have a quick look. Oh, there we are. Well, there's certainly a loft ladder, and it does look boarded to me. There is shelves up here as well, and there's a window up there as well. So it's a usable space, and quite a practical space as well for it all. Chimney breast up there for it. I wonder, bear with me guys, I'm just going to see if this works. Here we are. So just sending the phone up without me, but to give you an idea of the space around. Up here. There we are. And with a Velux roof window. One final part is in here. So this was your airing cupboard. Now there's a radiator in there to keep the warmth in. So it still acts as the as an airing cupboard. Excuse me. And there we go. So if you do have any questions, feel free to get in touch with the office. If you would like to book yourself a private viewing, please do so. I'd like to thank you very much for joining me around here. Just showing you the garden again. And I look forward to seeing you at the next video. All the best. Bye-bye.